Hi, I'm Raghunath Rao and I'm a technical evangelist at the Adobe Bangalore office, and I work on the platform team. Today we're going to talk about Flex and Air technologies, two technologies that Adobe.
So Raghu, you're going to show us the Sony Ericsson India website.
Yeah, that's right.
And
so yeah, this is the Sony Ericsson India website that is actually built on the Flex technology, and you know, it's a much better way of dealing with a lot of data compared to the traditional HTML paradigm. So as you look at this is a store where I'm trying to compare a lot of phones and buy the one that I want. So I can just go ahead and say these are the style kind of phones that are there. I'm just interested in the stick or the candy bar kind of phone. So as you can see, it updates a selection, and then from 57 phones that were there, it just came down to 35. I'm going to do a bit more of configuration here. I'm going to say I just want to be able to take photos, I want to make movies, I want to play music, I want to listen to some FM, and I want to surf the internet. Yeah, I think this one, say. Okay, so as you can see, with just 5 or 6 clicks, what's happened here is that the number of phones have come down from 57 to 8. So the user, it's a great thing that he can just leave out all the information that he doesn't want and get to the ones as early as possible. And then I can say, okay, I want to compare these phones and see, you know, let's say this one looks good, this one looks good too, and I think this one. And I say compare. So then it goes ahead and generates a comparison of those 3 mobiles and then gives them to you in a very nice format. And this will let you browse through all this very seamlessly. As you can see, here are the 3 phones. You can read more about them. There are some information about it. You can scroll down here. You know, there's like all the details, and then you can compare this and then make your decision and then go ahead and buy it. So Flex has actually made it really easy for the users to parse through all that information, which earlier used to be like half an hour job of searching for the phone to just a matter.
we saw the demo of the Ericsson website, and you're going to show us how Air and Flex come together.
So as you saw, that particular application is actually on the internet, on a website, and you're accessing through the browser. Now, if the developer, or Sony for that matter, wants to take that application from the internet, from the browser to the desktop, or provide a much better interface to the user, today there is no solution available. So Adobe has come out with something called Adobe Air, or what we call as the Adobe Integrated Runtime, which lets you actually do that. So what the runtime does is it sits on top of your operating system. This is your operating system, so it kind of gets installed on top of your operating system, and then you can go ahead and download the installer from the Sony website if they have one, and then install it, and that will actually run seamlessly. What this runtime will let you do is, one, connect to the internet and work in the way that you just saw it on your desktop, and secondly, it will connect to the operating system, so you can use a lot of native kind of code on your application. And
so can I have any kind of OS? Mac?
Yes, right now the Air runtime is in beta, so it's available for both Mac as well as Windows.
Vista?
Windows Vista, I guess so. But once we actually come out with the actual release, it will be supported on all platforms. That's there.
Okay. So for me to see the Ericsson website, I need to have had installed Air.
Yeah, right. You have to install the Air runtime, what we did first, and then install the Sony Ericsson application on top of that if they have one for Air.
Okay. You're also going to give us a demo of the Anthropology website.
Exactly. Now? So Anthropology is one of the companies which are early adopters of really beautiful Air application to browse through their catalog. We'll just see that.